Hey there, I wanted to go through in this video the worksheets that you're going to do for this week and what I expect them to look like in the work that you're going to do. So I broke it up, the way I broke it up is Tuesday you're going to do adding algebraic expressions worksheet, Wednesday subtracting algebraic expressions worksheet, Thursday distributive practice, property practice worksheet, and all of that is in this one Google Doc where you have 1 through 15 is adding algebraic expressions, 1 through 15, the next section is subtracting algebraic expressions, and then another 15 problems for distributive property practice. And so it's all just in one document. You do this one document and then you submit that on Friday. When you're going to go in and actually write out your solutions, you want to first of all use equations. So you click enter. And when you see that blue box show up, it means that you can write a math equation. I want you to show your work and then at the end to color your work change the text color pretty much so your work is a different color other than black. So I'm going to show you what that looks like with this first example. I'm going to add the algebraic expressions. Okay, so with number 1, if you look at it, there is this algebraic expression and it's being added to this algebraic expression. There's a plus in between these two algebraic expressions. There's this one, and there's a plus between them. This means I'm being asked to add algebraic expressions. The way you add an algebraic expressions is you first open up the parentheses and you then combine like terms. And what it means to open up the parentheses in this case is just to get rid of them. The truth is that these parentheses here, they don't necessarily have a function other than that they tell us, hey look, there's one algebraic expression and there's another one here, and I want you to add the two algebraic expressions, right? Besides giving you information, they don't have a function. So opening up the parentheses in this case just means getting rid of them. Poof, they're gone. I put the negative 3x in parentheses because it'll look cleaner that way without the parentheses. It kind of looks chunky when the plus minus is next to each other like that. It kind of looks not very pretty. So there it is. I've opened up the parentheses. Now all I have to do is combine like terms. In order to combine like terms, I am going to rearrange the terms so the like terms are next to each other. So the first thing I move is this plus negative 3x. That's the first thing I move. And then it'll shift my 3y over. Now I'm going to take this plus y and put it next to my 3y. And now my plus 10z gets shifted over. And the minus z, that's at the end. We haven't done anything with it. It just stays at the end there for now. Enter equals, now I can combine like terms. I'm just thinking 6 plus negative 3. That's the same as 6 minus 3. So this is just 3x. And 3y plus y, that's just 4y. And 10z minus z is just 9z. Now I have all my work. I'm going to highlight it, go to text color, and I'm going to color it blue. Color any color you want, purple or green or maroon. All those colors are fine. Please don't color your work in red because red is the teacher's color. I mark your papers up with red, so I don't want to see your work in red. Red is typically like you did it wrong, right? Subtracting algebraic expressions. This is a little bit more involved, and so I would suggest joining my office hours, which is actually mandatory this week. So don't just go for it and try to solve this. If you don't know how to do this, join one of my office hours this week and learn how to do this so you can do this worksheet correctly. This is practice from what we went over in class, distributive property practice, and I can do one of these to remind you how to distribute. So with distributive property, what we did was we multiplied each term in the algebraic expression by the number in front of the parentheses. So in this case, 4 gets multiplied by each term in the algebraic expression. The terms are h, 2g, and 1. So we multiply 4 by negative h, and we multiply 4 by 2g, and we multiply 4 by 1. I'm going to put parentheses here since I put parentheses in the other ones too. And now I just simplify. I can't leave it like this. I need to simplify. 4 times negative h is negative 4h. Four times 2g is 8g. And 4 times 1 is 4. There's my answer. Highlight, go to text color, color it like green. I think I did blue on the other one, so let me change it. Blue. Okay, and you're going to do that for all of them, 1 through 15, for distributive property practice. Okay, good luck with this worksheet. If you are struggling and need help, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm going to have supplemental office hours this week, and I will post each day's office hours on our Google Classroom homepage so that with links, and you'll just click the link. It'll be a lot easier to access that way, and I will in that I'll be more available that way for answering questions, for helping with things. Don't hesitate to ask, and make sure you join an office hour where you can learn how to add and subtract algebraic expressions, because this is important, and there's nuances in all of these problems that you may not catch if you're just trying to figure this out on your own, and then you won't do as well on the homework, and ultimately not do so well in the class. At this point, the homework is what's had the most weight on your grade. It's what's affecting your grade the most. So you need to be doing this, and you need to be doing it correctly. And if you're one of those people who's struggling and you're not doing this correctly, reach out to me. Reach out to me. I can catch you up. I can help you figure it out. I can help you learn this material, and I'm happy to. All right.